Welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we got. Got two packages today. One I believe is from JM Bullion. Let's open that first. Let's see. I love those little boxes though. Okay. That's one thing, if you're in this hobby, you kind of collect little boxes over time. What have we got? Should be a 5-ouncer and 2 1-ounce. Yes, okay. Let's take a look. So, got a 5-ounce Queen's Virtues. Thought the price was right. It was on sale, pretty low premium. Maybe about a month ago, these things were like $125 on sale, and I was about to buy some. Thought, okay, I'll buy them in the morning. Went to bed, woke up, and the sale was over. Oops! So these came back on sale in like the upper 130s, and I said, okay, you know what? They're still selling on eBay for 170s, 180. So I grabbed one, almost grabbed two to get the free shipping. Kind of cheaped out. Pretty happy with the quality. To get the free shipping instead, I bought a couple of these Korean silvers. Thought these are kind of cool. And if you look on the major sites, these always have a bit of a premium. I like this Phoenix a lot. There's no one site that has the best price on the Korean silver across the board. If you were to compare JM, even JM and Provident are different. JM, Atmex, Provident, etc. They're all a bit different. You got to just do a little comparison. I do like that Queen's Virtue. Truth conquers all. Isn't that the truth? If there's anything that's self-evidently sacred in this world, it's the truth. So I like that one. And then this should be, I think this is an eBay pickup. Let's see. Looks like it. If it's what I'm thinking it is. Yeah. Okay. So this is a PCGS Morgan. As I recall, if it's the one I'm thinking. Here we are. It's not a super high grade, it's only a 62. And as you can see, there's a lot of contact marks all over the face and the fields. It is not, the luster is pretty weak, in my opinion. It barely cartwheels. It does cartwheel, but it's not a strong cartwheel. Way too many distracting contact marks. I think 62 is, that might even be a little generous. But look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So this isn't like killer monster toning, but an MS62 with a pretty attractive, not amazing, but an attractive crescent for 90 bucks. I saw this on eBay and grabbed it. Yeah, that's one of the things I've been focused on lately, is anytime that there's a particularly low price on a certified, non-questionable color Rainbow Morgan. I've been just grabbing those up. Right now, the premiums on Morgan dollars are high enough that the extra premium of the rainbow, at least for lower end rainbow toned Morgans, has really come down. And that's just because the premium you pay for a non-rainbow Morgan has gone up so much. It's like the gap has closed between the two. So at this point, when I'm buying Morgans, I'm kind of buying stuff like this. This is not like killer toning, but it is attractive. I still find it quite attractive. I like the contrast. You have a nice white and pretty good range of color there. It is a little on the muted side, but it's nice color. It's nice color. You're not getting your vibrant blues and purples, but you're getting some nice reds, yellows, oranges, tiny bit of green. It's nice. So that's what I picked up. I've got more stuff coming. I've got more Morgans coming, higher grade Morgans coming. I've got more silver by the ounce, junk silver by the ounce, not face value. More of that coming, which when that comes, we're going to count that together, do a little calculation to see how good a deal it really is. And if it works out to be a good deal, I'll share where to get it. So thanks, everyone. See ya.